To earn money with Google Maps. Hey guys, welcome back to the YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can earn money with Google Maps. So let's get into it. Now, Google Maps is a platform where you must be like, hey, how can I actually earn money with Google Maps? There is not a lot of options, what can I exactly do that would enable me to earn money in Google Maps? Well, there is a simple and easy way that you can earn money in Google Maps. You don't need a lot of different skills to do this, and it is pretty simple, and you can earn quite a few $100s extra, whatever your weekly income is, with this simple method. So to get started, all you're going to do is you're going to go onto Google Maps, and you can see when you go into Google Maps, you have quite a few different options. So if you search for any city, you have things like restaurants, hotels, attractions, museums, transit, pharmacies, ATMs. So you can search for a lot of different things on Google Maps. Now, let's say if we go onto Montreal over here, what if we search for a thing like for any kind of specific service? Let's search for gyms in Montreal. Once you search for that, you can search for anything. You can search for restaurants, you can search for hotels, you can search for anything whatsoever. You can see on your left, you have different results that are showing up. So you can see the top result is only rated 3.9, but if we scroll down over here, some of the other results are also rated 4.8, 4.9. So these gyms have a better rating, but they are not ranking as higher as the top result. And the reason for that is because they don't have SEO optimization. So even though they are rated better, they are probably better gyms, they are not present on the top of the search results, and that is because SEO optimization. So if I search for the same thing over here on Google, so if I copy and paste it, and if I search for this exact same thing, so you can see these are the top results, and people are most frequently going to click on the top results. So that is one really big issue, because these are amazing gyms that are not earning enough money. They have their Google listing, they are present on Google Maps, but are not ranking as high. So how do you actually make money off of this? Well, there is a simple way that once you go and search for anything, I've just searched for gyms. You can search for restaurants, hotels, any kind of business, any kind of listing you want. And what you're going to do is you're going to scroll down, and you're going to find a specific business that has really nice ratings. So let's say if you scroll down, and I'm just going to take one of the higher rated. So I have Report Fitness over here. It has a rating of over 79 ratings, and is ranked 4.9. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to go onto their website over here. I'm going to open up their website, and what I'm going to do, so you can see they have a very nice and professional website. They are quite a nice business. They are running a super professional gym, and they have offered a lot of different services. They have coaching as well. So what you're going to do, you're going to scroll down to the footer of their page, and you're going to see your get in touch form over here, or just take a look at their email address. So what you're going to do is you're going to contact this business. So you're just going to copy this email over here. So you can just go on to Gmail. And what you're going to do is you're going to click on compose over here, and you're just going to send this to the email address that you found off of their website. And then you're just going to say like, hey, so your subject could be something along the lines of SEO optimization for your Google business. And then what you're going to do is you're going to start off by saying hi. So you're just going to type in hi, and then what you're going to do is you're going to say like, hey, I found your business on Google Maps, and it is ranked 4.9, but it is not showing up in the top search results. And I would really like to help you in optimizing your SEO, which is your search engine optimization. And I really want to help you out because I live in the area and I have been to your gym and something like that. And then you're just going to say that, hey, so if you want any help regarding that, and if you want to acquire my services, please contact me or reach back to me. And then this is going to enable you to earn money off of Google Maps. So we're just going to find amazing places that are already ranked very high. So you know that writing good things about them is going to be easy because they are already at a 4.9 rating. So it's almost perfect. And you're going to provide them with SEO optimization. You can also contact them by a phone number if you are feeling comfortable to do that, but going by the email route is probably the better option. Now, you might be wondering, hey, okay, I have contacted quite a few places, I haven't gotten any replies, and I'm not making any money off of Google Maps. Well, in that situation, you can go on to fiverr.com. So what you're going to do is you're going to search for Google Maps. And then you can take a look quite a few different people that are providing map optimization. So you can see you have your Google Map citations for local business SEO. You can have Google Map citations for your local SEO, and there are all of the key features that you need to do to acquire a higher listing on Google Maps. You can take a look at their services, and what you can do is that if you don't know how to do these things yourself, and if you're not able to, get your optimization, if you don't know how to do SEO optimization, you can just contact these businesses. Once they agree to optimize their search engine results, then you're just going to go onto Fiverr, and then you're going to hire a freelancer to do the work for you. So you're just going to be serving as a middleman, and you're just going to hire a freelancer off of Fiverr, or you can go onto LinkedIn and hire someone else to do that. And you can just whatever money you're getting, like a business is going to pay you like $100 or $200, and then you can just pay these freelancers the money that they are charging. Usually you can find great freelancers at around $30 to $40. So you can see these freelancers are working for like $25, $30, $40. So you can hire someone like this, and this will just enable you to make a profit. You will be doing barely any work. All you're doing is contacting businesses and then hiring someone to do the actual footwork for you, and you're just going to deliver the work to the client or to the business, and this will enable you to earn extra money using Google Maps. So not only this, you can also create your own business and rank that higher, and you can also find different business listings, unclaimed listings, and you can claim them as your own and then wait for the actual owners to contact you, and then you can be like, hey, so we've had like an issue or something along those lines, and if they want, the same name, so like you can monetize on names. So if someone has a business with that name and you already have a listing for that name, then you will be able to charge them money to purchase the name for that domain or for that Google listing back to them. Now you can search for other things as well. So if I go onto Montreal and if I search for restaurants over here, so you can see I have these restaurants, and these restaurants are ranked higher, but if I scroll down over here, and I have other restaurants that have better ratings, like this one over here has a 4.6 rating, but it is ranked lower. It is ranked probably almost at the bottom, but it still has a amazing rating. So I can go on to this, and they have over 1,000 reviews. I can go onto their website over here, and for most to all of the businesses that you're going to find on Google, you can easily find their contact information on their website, and you're going to scroll down into the footer, or if you can't find it over here, you can click on careers or location. You can find their contact number or their email address over there for you to be able to get started with their business, and you can just contact them, and you can even learn some of these tricks that you're going to do, that you're going to hire someone to do for you on Google. So you have Google Map citation, 10-mile radius, Google Map backlinks, SEO driving direction, 6 key target words. You have other things like full SEO directions, and then you have your link building URL for ranking, 30 target keywords. So if you're not able to understand how to do this yourself, you can easily hire someone else. But if you are able to, along the way when you're doing this entire process, you can slowly learn these skills up yourself, and then you won't even have to hire someone else to do it for you. So that was it for today. I hope you guys found this video helpful, and you are now able to make money off of Google Maps as well. If you found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. And if you have any questions or queries, make sure to leave them in the comment box down below, and I will try to answer them as soon as possible. I will catch you guys in the next video.